I've just found the beautiful rock here, and I believe I must create it in Lowpoly 3D. Actually, it was a crazy idea. I felt bad for the last weeks, so I decided to seek discomfort to make a boost. It was the 30th of October and it was cold. Despite that, I intended to implement one of my desirable ideas. It was expected that I would create this video in summer, but why wait until tomorrow? While I was sitting on this rock, I managed to model almost all the whole rock and trees. However, my laptop needed to charge. By the way, I recorded almost an hour of the modeling process. At home, I put the finishing touches. Meet my new Lowpoly 3D isometric work. Today I'm going to create a cube in Blender.